Lacey's gonna open the feed for us. Thank you. Very helpful. Okay, chicken, you can't join the party.
Can you give some to your friends? Lacey? Can you give some to your ducky friends?
It says, guys, I go in there. How do I get in there again? And you too. Oh, Lucky. Cats, ducks, chickens, goats. Another cat.
Lucky. That was food.
What did
It was like they're a little do-si-do. The duck grabbed a hold of the chicken's feather and it was going around. Didn't know you untied that.
Get down.
Huh?
Get down.
There. See what I...
To give me space. This one did I get mad? Hi, Lucky.
I did.
Hi, Lace. Yeah.
I got to try to get Did Dallas just Dallas you?
He just tried to throw my phone.
Lacey says, get out of my feed shed,
Just my
you
shed.
little quackers.